talking to a camera about important stuff. Today we are cutting the beans on this 80 that we got rained out on. I can't remember if I put that in a video before this or not, but either way. So as I was saying before I got interrupted by a phone call, we cut that 80 now. It's already done. We're on this 40, and all that reddish tinge, brownish tinge, whatever you want to call it, are weeds from where the water backed in here and killed the beans off. So what we've done is went around that end down there, had, I don't know, like 300 foot of beans on it. We cut them, and then right here was pretty well a line of where the beans went all the way through the field, and all we've got left is this little square here. But we're gonna cut them out and then hopefully go grab 60 more acres yet this evening of beans that's in a low-lying area that if it rains a bunch, it won't be something to worry about as far as mud, because it is slightly muddy. I don't know if you can see the tracks down through there, but you get much farther that way and it's ruts all the way through the field. So we're gonna finish cutting these out, load headers on the trailers, and head back up towards the farmway and knock that 60 out, hopefully. Well, heads are loaded. We're on the move. It's a bouncy ride. Well, we've got on this 60, and it's a little darker now, but we are mowing these off relatively quick, because quite frankly there ain't a whole lot out here until you get down here on this farther end. But right now we're running almost 6 miles an hour, 35 foot, that's 22 acres an hour. If you could run like this all the time, you could absolutely get stuff done. But these beans was some of the beans that we pumped water off of this spring, and regardless whether we got the water pumped off or not, it dings them, it hurts them, knocks the yield back, knocks the growth back. They just ain't right. So that's why these ain't that great. But surprisingly enough, this ground is solid. We ain't hardly cutting a track out here. So that's a bonus if we can get these out. The rain is slowly pushing up here. See the clouds? It's clouded up more and more all day. But I don't know how much it's gonna rain. They're talking like it could rain, well, Michael said 48 to 60 hours. We don't need that, but at least this will be one other swamp hole that's out. Beavers can flood it again. But I'm going to attempt, before it gets too dark, to throw my camera out here so Jens can get some better shots than just sitting here in the seat with me. But if everything goes well and hangs together and we don't suck no concrete that's floating around out here in our heads, we'll be done with this within another 45 minutes probably. 8:25. We just got the last semi pulled in the shed, heading home. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, I guess. Whatever you want to do. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.